Hey there, we're live again. Okay, sweet. Sorry for that inconvenience. I went on my break and then I noticed that the stream is offline. For some reason, I lost connection on my internet. Just got disconnected for whatever reason. But no issues with that anymore. Let's just remove this for now. You know what? I'll just leave it like that. I was actually trying to install this, but didn't finish. Fail. Okay, looks like something happened here now. But yeah, now we're back up and running. There shouldn't be any more issues whatsoever. Okay, this is not starting. Must be something that I miss. Permission deny issue. That's stupid denied again. There. Now it should allow it. Thank you. I did not finish installing this, so I'm gonna have to do this again. Since it did actually fail. There we go, yes. Yeah, that's correct. No, I don't want to add that. Oh, you're checking for updates. Okay then. Fine then, let's let that load. Okay, yeah, good things are coming on my way. More bloatware, more unnecessary process that I don't need. Is that what's coming on my way? Okay, that was odd. When 11 p.m. Jamming the device. Okay, yeah, setup for work or school. We're not actually gonna set up for that. I just wanna skip the requirement. Oh, you see this? Yeah, sign in options. Domain join. That will give us the option to do local account. There we go. Yeah. That's all that we needed. No password. Stop trying to sell us to make an online account. Honestly, I do not want that again. We're gonna clean you up. We're gonna give you the necessary updates, but that's it, nothing else. This is gonna set you up, and if a viewer has any issues, then we already have Windows 10, Windows 11 set up. Ah yes, check for updates. It's so necessarily needed. I'm pretty sure it's not needed. Since I break these computers and make them again as many times as I need to. Okay, come on. Oh, hello, Mr. Rain. I am doing alright. How are you? And thank you for asking. Yes, I am having a good day. I hope you're having a great one. I'm glad you are, man. So you decided on the graphics card from last stream, or you're still undecided? This is gonna take a while. No matter. Oh, that. Oh, look, we can play a game while it's downloading. Yes. Yoo-hoo. Yeah, I might get the Asus one mainly because the availability. Oh, okay, okay. You still chose a good one, honestly. Did y'all fix the Windows 11 problem? Uh, which problem exactly? I can't remember right now. Hey, Alfie, what's up? Ah, I lost. I'm alright. I'm just installing Windows 11, but I can't play. I can't use it until it downloads the updates. And I'm trying to fix some configuration issues I set up. Trying to set up a VLAN configuration. I'm getting issues with that. So I'm just gonna wait until this installs so I can try it with Windows 11. Ah, waiting for the download to finish so I can start that up. I'll play this while it loads. La 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 la. AMD? I don't know, man. Everything's going up. I'm pretty sure the reason it's going up is due to now people are trying to use AI, local AI. Um, I'm pretty sure there's still, since prices are down for crypto, people might want to use them to do mining. So yes, everything's getting a little bit more expensive. I hope it doesn't really suck that bad. I actually wanted to get a new GPU, but not AMD nor Nvidia. I actually wanted to get the what was the name again? From Intel. I just can't remember the name. I wanted to get the Intel GPU, but I haven't found any information about it, so I'm still not sure if I should get it. Yeah, I need to research more information. I want to see just how good it is. Intel Arc. Yes. I'm not sure how great it is for if I want to use it for games or anything else. All that I know is that Intel has their own GPU. So I was thinking of buying one, but with my with my motherboard, I only have one PCI slot, so I'm still unsure on that. Honestly, yes, 12 gigs. That is a steal, definitely. Well, I just haven't tried them. I have no clue how good they are. I need to do some reviews, and maybe I'll actually go for it. Detach. The best thing they're doing right is not being stingy with VRAM. Oh, true, Ray. I remember. I don't know if you remember, but when this GPU came out, AMD RX 480. When this GPU came out, there was a big criticism that if you buy the 4 GB version, now if you open the CPU up, there was actually it wasn't it had entirely 8 GB. It was just disabled. So you could flash the memory and turn it on. So people were buying the 4 GB version because it was cheaper and turning it on to turn it to 8 GB. There was a huge criticism when this thing came out. Literally, I remember this. It's not actually 4 GB, it's 8. It's just hidden. It's just disabled. That's why a lot of people love to do it. Yes, that was true. Like 4 GB, uh, is actually 8 gigabyte. Now worse, because I remember that no, there was a review that in the early batches, here it is. Yeah, early batches of 480 cards actually do have 8 gigabyte memory. It was really crazy. Okay, Arfi, you enjoy yourself. I also found out last year that there was a 2060 12 gigabyte version. I was like, what? Huh. I didn't found that. I didn't know about that. Like my current car that I have, it's a 360, and I was told that wait, let me see. What was it again? Fast fetch. Oops. Fast fetch. I was told that this card, this is the 12 gigabyte version. I was told that this card is horrible, and it should only get it 8 gigabyte version. Then they said when the 460 came out that now the 360 is actually better. I honestly don't understand the criticism on that. It just makes no point, no sense to me. To me, this card is just it works freaking great for all the games that I have been using it for. Baldur's Gate, Skyrim, yes, those are all games, but they work great if you want to add mods or anything like that. Honestly, I don't know the criticism. I think people just want to like, not sure. They're to me a good car. A 2060 is a good. Who says that? Horrible is crazy. Yeah, it's a great GPU. Like before the 20s series came out, the top was the 980. The 980 was the freaking legend of the CPUs. It outperformed everything. Then when Nvidia announced the 1080s, it was great, but there's something that they did I did not like, is that when the 1080s came out and then the 20s came out, they added a new technology feature that the 1080s could not adapt to it, even with updates. So it's basically like, okay, yeah, on the new games, you want to use the new features, then you're gonna have to buy the new graphics card. I call that a little bit BS, because you're basically forcing the consumer, in this case us, to literally buy the new ones, and they might be more expensive, just because you want that feature, and you can't have it for the previous ones. I think that's really unfair, honestly. Like, you just want to buy the game, not keep spending any more money. Like, they really just want to get more money out of you. Also, RTX on 8GB VRAMs are just a ripoff. I would agree on you on that part, because they're making not even the top cars now. 40, 60 series, you can already make it with 12 gigs. You can run anything with that. Like, to me, having the 40 series or the 30 series, it's enough. Like, okay, in terms of, if you want to put this in terms of games, I really don't care for 2K, 4K, even the ridiculous 8K. To me, from my point of view of my eyes, I think games look extremely well, everything on max, depending on how you want to set it up in 1080p. I don't think it can get any clearer than that. To me, 1080 is enough. This is a 1080p monitor, and this is a 75 Hz monitor. Like, if you want to go to, what did I turn off? What did I turn off? Did I just turn off something? Okay, no. No, my mic is still working. Is it? You guys can hear me, right? I think I broke my mic. Oh, okay. Just saw something that took off on my screen. But honestly, I mean, 1080 is enough if you wanna just play your games, no issues whatsoever, do your Photoshop, video editing. I think it's enough. If you wanna do, if it's required for a job or a client, like, yeah, we need all this stuff in 4K. Okay, fine, we can do that. But you use it yourself for 4K, I just find it ridiculous. Might be money not needed, like extra money for nothing. I mean, spending more money about it, I really don't think it's like the best thing. If those are like your gimmicks, like you just want to play with that configuration and everything else, then fine, go ahead, do it. But to me, it's just extra money that you don't really need to spend. Uh, Until now, I played 1080, and the only reason I got a 2K monitor. There you go, for work. Yeah, I get that. Like, I remember I some time back I used to work for computers, IT, for a hospital. Now here's the thing. There were doctors for radiology. Their monitors were extremely expensive, and they were 4K, and they used it to to see to see the radiology scans from people. Now they actually do need that because you need to see all the details. Like for work, it's very needed, but for personal use, it's a waste of money. Like I remember, I think if I'm not mistaken, those doctors use Dell 4K radiology monitor. I think it was medical display. It was yeah, I think for the doctors it was a Dell. I remember it was a Dell. I can't remember the model exactly, but it was a insanely expensive. I think it's this one. Is it this one? Oh yes, definitely. No, it's not this one. No, it's not that one. I know it's for radiology monitors because the price for it was $10,000. That was the price for the freaking monitor. If I could remember the model, I would look it up right now. I think that's the only thing. So they would have 3 monitors, so in total that's 30 grand. And it was has to use a program so they can see crystal clear the x-rays for patients. Was it this one? It's insanity. It's insanity. I get it. It's for medical, but it's insanity. I think it's this one. Okay, yes, I think it's for this one. This was a 4K one. Here we go, $9,300. That's insane. But here were the specs, where I saw it. I'm pretty sure it's this one. Okay, I don't remember exactly the specs, but the thing is, the monitor was around, it wasn't 55 inches. I think it was around 42 inches. And the thing is, because it had so many pixels, you really couldn't put it on full screen. You could like get it divided. Like monitor 1 is here, monitor 2, monitor 3, monitor 4. So the computer would detect it like there's 4 monitors detected, not one. You could try to extend it, but it would be like 4 monitors into one screen. That's how it worked. But yeah, basically I don't think it's this exact model, but this is basically what the doctors would use, and it's around, look at that, $9,340. Extremely expensive. Is this thing done? My God, that's gonna take a long time. Keep playing this. I really want to do that because I want to test out the other system. Woo! But yeah, RAID, it's extremely expensive, man. Sometimes those guys, they don't have good eyesight. So yeah, for them that's actually like an upgrade. Like their PC was worth maybe $1,000. It like the monitor was cost more than the actual computer. They really didn't have that like, amazing specs. Everything was done with the program. It was all that the stupid monitor. Now let's just keep swinging sideways. Oh, the split got me. This is gonna take a long time. Okay. Man, can you remember the good old CRT monitor days? I remember my dad only had one. Just remember one, and the only game at that point in my time I didn't understand computers as much, but we did have one. But then I think it just broke down on its own. But the only game I remember playing on that thing, or actually using it, was literally Pong. It was the most entertaining game I have ever played in my life at that time in my life. Oh, I didn't even notice that. If I would have been blind, I would have never noticed that when I was a kid. I think I just didn't care. I just wanted to play whatever game there was on it, and that was it. Now, while this is actually loading, let's actually turn this on again. Because I really want to get this firework to work. Because if this loads, networking, VLAN, okay, still didn't grab an IP. But CRT monitors, they still sell those. I think they're going like a little bit more expensive. If you try to look it up on eBay, CRT monitors, eBay, I'm pretty sure they're like, let's see. Look at that. Dell, $400. Oh my God, that's just stupidly ridiculous. $400. No, that makes no sense. Oh no, wait, Sonic for Dell. $300, $600, Mitsubishi Diamond. What the hell, Mitsubishi? Who buying them? I guess this is when I use them for nostalgia. I guess maybe that's it. It's just when I use it for nostalgia. But these things, there. Because nobody, maybe they still have there in their, what the freak is this? 5 grand Sonic GBRT widescreen CTR. There's 100 people watching this. $200 for shipping. People would use them in movies just to break them. I don't know about that, but still, that's just crazy. This is the most insane one for me right now. 5 grand, and there's over 100 people watching. That thing must be heavy as hell. Oh my god, look at that. 5 grand. I don't know, man, but what's more concerning is, where is it again? Oh, okay, here it is. Look at that. 105 people are watching this right now. A 4,000 or a best offer. 100 people are interested in buying this. I could maybe make some money out of that. I don't have any CRT monitors, but still, that's insanity to me. Okay, did this grab the VLAN that I set up? It did not grab the VLAN. Did it start? Okay, yeah, there's the VLAN that I set up. 1090, 40, 100. Okay, still didn't grab the VLAN here. So back to this. Oh, this is still installing. Oh my god, that's gonna take a long time. Oh my god, I just wanted to use this already. Let's just skip that. Guess I'll just keep waiting. Installing. Surfboarding. Can play a game without even playing Windows yet. Already have a record. Oh no. Ah, damn it. Yeah, I put it on the pin message. You don't see the message? Yeah, that server is it's I made it into a community server. So if anybody has any other issues, I put some channels there so you guys can see as put your requests or issues. If I do find or video requests if you want, like I might make more videos later on today on the channel, but I still don't have any ideas so far. I still haven't figured out a new guide to make. But yeah, you can join the server, man. The more people there is, the better. Yeah, because I have it connected with the YouTube stream because I don't actually notice the chat. So I connected it with the Discord so that way I can hear it. Yeah, if somebody needs like a more specific live support, they can see us on the right side. If you notice on the screen, is the Discord server there. So if someone needs to like more extra support, they can just share their screen if they want to voluntarily, and I'll try to help them out. But you can join, man. Like that's the whole purpose of this stream is just to help people with computer issues, problems, or find alternative solutions. That's basically what I do. I'm trying to do this more often if I'm able to reach 1,000 subscribers so I can get monetized. So any support from everybody is highly appreciated. It's not needed, but it's highly appreciated. Right now the Discord server has, how many people does it have? I do have a pinned message there. I thought that would be enough to notice. Maybe I just gotta change it. Oh, really? 14 years? Oh, that's great. Me, I actually haven't counted the years for me. I know my stuff. I just teach myself. But if I do get stuck, then I'll just troubleshoot everything. That's how I learn about VLANs, virtual machines, hypervisors, network configuration. It's a little bit of the same or different. It just has a little kink. Like if there's a program that has like a lot of configuration, I'll set it up for you. But I don't know how to use the program. It takes time. Yep, yes, do it. Basically. Now I need to change the pinned message. I think I'm pin the message. Discord community server. Come join. I'm not sure if that's enough to pin the message. Let's see. Okay, yeah, there we go. That should be better. Discord community server, come join. There, now the message is pinned. There, we have it. I think we have now 12 members for now. But you've been doing computer stuff for 14 years. When I got into computers, I was still with ID controllers. Then I noticed SATA. And then that's when I know the new stuff coming out, like virtual LANs. That was something new. I was never taught it. It's a bit confusing. And networking is actually a little bit, I am not 100% sure how everything works. I always gotta refresh my mind to see if there's anything new. AI is a helpful tool. It's not a replacement, it's just a helpful tool. Oh, you're from the floppy disk era. We actually no, I only work with floppies once. I do have floppy disks in my closet. I have I think, if I'm not mistaken, I have a floppy disk of Windows 98 or 95. I think, I don't remember. I still have floppy disks. Did I work with them? No. I started working on computers when ID was already being obsolete, and now it was just SATA. That's when I noticed SSDs, then NVMEs, all that stuff starting coming out. And oh yes, I now remember it clearly. DDR3 was still new at that time, and then DDR4 was being something really popular and expensive. Now DDR5 is just ridiculously fast. Ah, finally. And it's just, if you being from the floppy disk area, you can literally tell like how fast these things have come over time, because they have gotten out extremely fast. But yeah, if you want to join the server, you're more than welcome to. Just other people collaborating any computer issues they might have. Yes, they really are. You compare, you can compare it to a freaking ID, to SATA, and then from a mechanical drive to an SSD to an NVMe, like an M2 dot, and the ranges, the speeds are ridiculous. Like I would take, last time I checked this was ridiculous. SSD. Okay, here's a good example. We have the XSD, we have this thing. We go into specs. Where is it? Read speeds, write speeds, up to 500 megabytes. And then you go with the NVMe drive. Read speeds, read, write, 7,000 megabytes. So in other words, 7 gigabytes, right? 6,000, almost 10 times as faster than a normal SSD. So now these things are like, it's fast. It's fast, that's it. This thing just freaking goes way beyond how fast it can go. 7 gigabytes of fastness on this little thing. It just doesn't make sense anymore. Honestly, it really doesn't make sense anymore. We went from mechanical drives to that, and it's just something so freaking fast. Okay, there we go. The VLAN finally appeared. Okay, that's good. VLAN appeared, but this is still loading. Hey, you joined, awesome. Welcome. Sweet. Now we have another member. Awesome. That's great. I'm so happy for that. What's that? An electric shock. That reminds me, I think, wasn't that like a voltage issue or something in the connection area? I can't remember clearly if it was like a connection area issue. Wall socket. Wearing sandals will not give you the effect. I think. I don't actually remember. It happened to me once. It could be a wall socket issue, yeah. Okay, there we go. Finally, Windows loaded. That's what I wanted. Okay. Oh, so wait, it has service. How can it have service if it wasn't working? Okay. Oh, I think it, okay, it has the main one. Yeah. So I actually need to change that. Virtual machines. Windows 11 here. Yeah, there it is. Okay, yeah, this needs to be changed. Direct attachment, VLAN 12. I'm not sure if, let's try private. Then we need to shut down and restart it. That much I know. It's supposed to boot up fast. I gotta take out that CD. We don't need that. Yeah, we can remove that. Yes, let's remove it. Thank you. And remove the CD. Yep, perfecto. Okay, there. Okay, so it is the same issue here. So I think I needed to do something different with this. But wait, if it has that issue, that means. Okay, yeah, it did grab the VLAN network. Okay, that's what we needed. So if I wanted to go here, it doesn't load. But the networking. Okay, so if I were to go to this one, so if I were to go to the LAN 1050 25 100, that should work. Go back there, detach it. 10 50 44 100. Oh wait, did I type that wrong? 1050 25. Whoops. 1050 25. There we go. Okay, so yeah, so we do have service. Log into the PFSense. We just don't have internet for this VLAN. Whoops. Okay, there. Yeah, well, we can see that. What I could try to do is for the DHCP server, let's enable, I could add let's pen Google. Huh? Thank you, Ray. I appreciate that a lot, man. You enjoy the rest of your day, man. Thank you. It will happen. Thank you. That just gives me more motivation to keep doing this, man. Thank you for that. And thanks for joining the server. Yeah, you enjoy the rest of your day, dude. Thanks for joining, man. I might be still on here. Okay. Let's add this public DNS. Save it. Apply that. I don't think that would work. Yeah, no, let's cancel that. ipconfig, what? ipconfig, release it. I hate IPv6. I do not like IPv6. It's confusing as hell. The numbers are just confusing. Take it off. Thank you. Now then, renew it. Now then, it should pop up that we have service. Nope, nothing. Request timeout. Gosh, why is this not working? Okay, this is not working. This fell on me again. Damn it. Still don't have service. I feel that I'm doing something wrong. I feel that I'm doing something wrong or I'm missing a configuration. Still doesn't have service. But if I put the LAN's gateway, then we have service. No. We still don't have service. It just shows that it has like service and that's it. So we do it like this. We just add the LAN. Let's just copy that. Go to the DHCP server. VLAN 12. We change that. We save that. We apply it. Ah, God, this is always confusing to me. Time it out. cancel that. Release the IP again. Renew it. Huh, that's odd. Now the icon didn't change that we have service. Did it pick up? It did pick it up. No, we still have service. Okay, I think I need to search online. I'm getting frustrated on this part. NAT rules. Outbound NAT rules. But I turned that on. I did turn that on. Oh my god. I did turn it on. I know I did. NAT, where is it? NAT. Oh wait. I think this is why. Oh gosh, don't tell me that was it. Was that it? VLAN 12. Please don't tell me it was because of that. Release. Renew it. The moment of truth. No, that was not it. God damn it. Damn. Okay, never mind. I'm gonna have to keep researching this. Okay guys, I'm gonna go on a small break. I'll be right back. I'm gonna keep the stream running. I'll be right back guys. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm sorry for that long delay. Oh no, the computer went on time now. Just getting myself some food. Okay, I feel much better. I can eat this. And oh god, that's hard. Right this thing. Okay, this is not working for me. Okay, I need to make outbound rules that are configured. But I already did those rules. Rules. Okay, first up in the NAD, so we changed the outbound to like a manual. Rules. Yeah, see, there we have rules. I don't think it's like this. No, that still doesn't show any service. That means okay, at least I know the server is working. Because I know they're grabbing an IP. Check here at the leases, you can see it right there. So it is grabbing IP, it is working. Damn it, what did I did wrong? We allowed the rules. I guess we need to add here the WAM. Do not NAT. And disable NAT for traffic. No. Then let's do VLAN 12, IPv4, any. Connection matching this rule will be mapped to the specific address. The VLAN 12 addresses. Okay. VLAN test. Yes. So now we put that there. Or maybe I missed something. Huh? Okay. We added this rule, and we need to also allow it from here. I don't see any bytes coming out of this. Oh my god, why are rules so confusing for me? Honestly, it's the only thing that I just do not like that much. Even though it seems simple, it's just confusing. Okay, what if I add another one? Okay, the packages must come from the LAN. Any protocol is fine. The source? Let's put it like that. And for this one, look, something is coming here. It's megabytes. Here from the 12, any. Yeah, let's put any as well. Test 2. Apply that. Oh! Wait, that worked? We have service. That worked. That freakishly worked. Hold up a second. Delete this rule. Yeah. Apply. Mr. Tasteful. Your feet edition is out of this world. Can't sleep, man. Look up those nice feet online or whatever you want to say it. Okay, so wait. Now it works. Now it works. It wasn't this. Take that off. Pinky, big, middle, and ring take off. What the freak? I don't know what you're on, man, but jeez, you must be having a good time. Okay. So allowed any. Okay, I'm not convinced. I'm not convinced this actually worked how I was supposed to. It's supposed to go. Reboot this. Yes, rebooted. Okay. I am not convinced.